I've been coming here for a while, and after I turned about 20, I was really not happy with how my teeth looked. They weren't necessarily like imperfect, but I didn't like how they weren't necessarily straight. My bottom teeth were a little messy, so I talked to Dr. Endres about it, and he's like, yeah, we can definitely fix you up. And I said, cool. Met Dr. Tagani, and we got started right away. They're like, cool, this is how it's gonna work. This is about how long it's gonna take. And I was like, oh, cool, awesome, I don't have to go anywhere else. I came here and they got me set up, scanned, and then I came back for the attachments to get put on, and I was out within about 30 minutes. I had attachments on both the bottom set and the top set of my teeth, and I wore the clear aligner trays for about less than 9 months-ish, and every 10 days I would switch out the set. And about once a month I would come back for more trays. They would say, hi, how are you doing? How are things going? You look great. And I'd be out just to come back again, and before I knew it, I was finished. I am very happy. I smile a lot more now with both sets of teeth, not just the top one. And I've gotten a lot of compliments from people that haven't seen me, you know, with the masks and everything. They're like, did you do something? And I'm like, oh yeah, I got my teeth straightened. And they're like, did you have braces? I was like, nope. And they're like, I didn't know you had anything. I'm like, exactly, that's the point. I would recommend, honestly, the entire office, top to bottom, because they're all super nice, super friendly. They know you. Like, I'll come in before I've even walked through the door. They're like, all right, Olivia's ready to go whenever you guys are. And I'm like, awesome. And they're all super friendly. Like, I can just talk to them like I talk to anybody else, like my friends or my parents. And it's just like really comfortable. I don't feel like they're judging me for my teeth or anything like that. So I think it's just a really cool place to be at, and you get your stuff done and you go.
Been coming for at least 20 years, started with Dr. Nick. Michelle's been my hygienist for forever. I've had, work, whether it's cavities or fillings or root canals, typical dental care over the years, and I love them. There's the key word for me is care, and they're like family here. They care about myself and my family. So I wouldn't think of any other place to come. Never had any issues. A few times I've had emergency requirements to get in here after hours, and immediately they're attentive and take care. So the care has been outstanding. I would recommend the care because they care, and they do, besides the excellent service, they know my family, they know us. So I come because I want to, and I come more than required by the insurance. So, and pay out of pocket to do that. So I wouldn't go anywhere else.
I'm a single parent, and I had let my teeth go because I was raising the kids, and the kids were the top priority. So I'm also a senior citizen, and I began to have trouble with my teeth. And I saw the ads about getting implants, and so I thought about implants. My daughter comes here. She's one of Dr. Nicholas' patients, and the thing that I liked was the friendliness of the office and how gentle they were with her. And so naturally, when I started having trouble, I decided to come back here. I got Dr. Endres as a doctor, and I fell in love with him right off the bat. His bedside manner was awesome. I felt like I was talking to a friend, and that was important to me because I'm afraid of dentists. I have a fear of somebody going in my mouth. But yet, we had a rapport. And I came in and they took an x-ray. I needed a lot of work. And once they told me everything was gonna be involved, I had another fear because of the cost. And I'm thinking, I need all this major work. I don't have that kind of money. And yet they were able to work with me and work out a payment plan. Now, I'm getting my mouth fixed. I've got a good doctor, and I can afford it. So you had a winning combination. And for me, that just spoke volumes. It erased the fear of coming to the dentist. I come now with no problem. I love coming here. And Dr. Endres is just bubbly. His and my personality works hand in hand. The staff is just awesome. I found new friends. Instead of just coming to a dentist and getting work done, I found a new family.
I've come here to mostly have cleanings done, and then I brought my family over. My daughter, who is 7 years old, she has had cleanings done too, and my wife had a couple of wisdom teeth removed as well. So mostly routine dentistry and some more specialty care. What I've always told people about coming to this office is that you can feel the kindness in everybody. The whole team, all the team members, they always treat you with respect, with very professional manner. The doctors are always very approachable. They're always open to answer questions. And it's nice to be able to connect with the people that are taking care of you. You don't always find doctors that are willing to answer all your questions and have the bedside manner or the type of professionalism that they have in this office. I've been to many dentists in the past. I had braces when I was a teenager. I've had teeth removed in the past, and so I've had to deal with people in the field quite a bit for many years in my life. And it's always great to not only have great results, but go to an office where they treat you kindly, but where you're also seeing that what you're paying is worth the work and the results that you're receiving. I would recommend Endres Dental Care because they will treat you like your family. They'll give you the right treatment. They won't try to upsell anything to you. And then you can tell that the people that work there care for you, and that they genuinely want to take care of you and your family as well.
I came for routine cleanings, and I've had fillings done and my wisdom teeth removed. I really enjoy coming here because they treat you well. I'm a very nervous patient with doctors, and they make me feel very comfortable. I like coming here because the doctors, they show you that they care. You know, they don't just treat you like you're just a number. You know, they care about you, and they don't make you nervous. They make you feel comfortable. Something that I really admire when I come here is that they always say, hey, do you need water? Do you need a blanket? Are you comfortable? You know, they make it a point to make you feel comfortable for your appointments, because, you know, a lot of us are nervous going to the dentist. So I do appreciate that. I recommend Endres Dental Care because they just care about you. They take care of what, you know, your issues, your problems, and my daughter comes here and they make her feel comfortable. My husband comes, you know, we all get our work done, and I highly recommend them. They're like the best dental office that I've ever been to.